This Sanuke wire rope crimp kit combines a long stainless steel cable with matching sleeves and thimbles, so you can build complete cable runs without hunting for extra parts. The included crimping tool feels solid in the hand with a non-slip grip and a locking mechanism that makes repeated crimps consistent instead of tiring. Multiple crimping slots and built-in cutters let you handle different small cable sizes cleanly, which is especially helpful for neat terminations on railings or light rigging. The stainless steel cable uses a 7x7 strand layout that balances flexibility with strength, making it easier to route around corners while still feeling secure under load. Aluminum sleeves and stainless steel thimbles pair well with the cable, giving you reinforced loops that resist fraying and hold their shape over time. For do-it-yourself projects like deck railing, garden trellises, or light hanging displays, this kit offers a convenient all-in-one solution that feels more professional than piecing components together.